Hi everybody, Dr. Lonnie Denny, Bulletproof Babes, and I want to show you what to do so if your iPhone ever gets stolen, you can get it back. You have a greater chance of getting it back. So let me just show you, even if your iPhone is locked, and you may know this, and I think it's the same with Android, I can go up here and I can pull down and I can get this screen, which is the control center screen. And let's just say I've just stolen your phone. I can take it and put it on airplane mode, and that'll turn off the Wi-Fi, which means if you're using an app like Find My Device, or for iPhone, FindMy, that's just what it's called, it will render it disabled. They'll turn off the Wi-Fi, then they turn the phone off, and you have zero chance of getting your phone back. So what we want to do is we want to disable the control center from a locked phone. So this is how we're going to do it. Okay, I'm going to open up this phone. Okay, and I'm going to go into settings. On settings, I'm going to go down to Face ID and passcode. I'm going to hit that. I'm going to enter the passcode for this phone. You don't get to see that. And then, so I'm on Face ID and passcode, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to go to Control Center, and I'm going to turn that off. Okay, that way that control panel is not available to somebody through a locked screen on your phone. And then the next thing I want to do, and if you don't have this already, is you want to download one of those apps that lets you find your device quickly. These things work like a charm. And for an iPhone, like I said, it's called FindMy, and I can hit that, and it shows right away where we are. But on an Android, it's called Find My Device, and I haven't found an app that covers both phones. But how it works with those apps is you send an invitation to a trusted friend, like your partner or a relative or something. And so if you ever lose your phone, you can just have them look on their phone and see where your phone is. And let me just say, this is super relevant to me right now because my phone, my mom's phone just got stolen. And how it happened was her and my sister-in-law went out shopping, and my mom carries her phone on the outside of her purse. There's like a zippered pocket in the purse, and she carries her phone there. So in case it rings, she can get to it right away. And she always knows where her phone is. So they go shopping, they separate ways for a little bit, then they come back together, and my mom sees that zipper is undone and her phone is not in there. And the first thing that my sister-in-law does is try to call her phone, in which the phone was turned off. It went to voicemail right away. And my mother never turns her phone off, not even if she's in the theater, at church, wherever. I can get her to turn it down. I cannot get her to turn the phone off. So whoever took that phone deliberately knew that trick, that they turned off the Wi-Fi right away, and they turned the phone off so it doesn't ring and you can't use an app to find it. So don't let that be you, and I'll see you soon.